morning, here with Legacy Flat Roofing in Sheet Meadow. We are doing a new flat roof over the client's canopy sitting area. Now this roof, you don't always get a Cadillac roof. I gave the client an option. Hey, do you want to rip the shingles off or go over? Gave them two different options. They chose to go over. So there you go. We take a look. The major issue of this roof, it was way too flat to have shingles. In the winter time, you're going to get water, snow and ice backing up and flooding their overhang. So there we go. We got a shingle tie in here. We have a drip flashing and eavestrough on the outside. The plan is to go over this. We're going to secure a new soper board. That gives us a new substrate and roof over it. You've seen it before. We showed you what it looks like. We're going to trim the outside to make it nice and flush for our new metal flashing and start doing some work. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. We finished the job. Turned out wonderful. I'm sure the client's gonna be thrilled. This deck has seen a lot of water. You can see a lot of the water damage. We had to do a bit of framing underneath to keep this deck strong. So there we go. We went from a shingle roof, which was too low of a slope for a flat roof membrane, to a proper flat roof system. We had a vent here. We had to take off a couple rows of shingles and then we reinstalled the shingles because in the middle of winter we don't want water creeping up and damming back up into the house. There we go. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.